Hello, hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. We are based in Appleton and exclusively install and maintain ceramic coatings. We focus mainly on new vehicles, but every once in a while, your girlfriend brings in a new vehicle, and so you bring in your couple-year-old Mustang, still a beautiful Mustang, but I did a cool thing today that I don't normally do. I washed half the hood, prepped it for paint correction, and you'll see, these are the before videos here. You'll see swirl marks. Get a better light on here for you. You'll see swirl marks in the paint, hard water spots. Nothing wrong. It's a couple years old. This really isn't bad for it. It's not like they were going through brush washes or anything. So, yeah, overall pretty good shape. And you come over here and you see what a single step of paint correction can do. Removes those swirl marks, hard water spots is gone. This is a rock chip down here, so paint correction is not going to fix that. But, this is a 50-50 of what you could expect here. Pre-correction, kind of how the vehicle arrived. Like I said, hard water spots, some swirl marks in it. And you come over here, and this is your beautiful finish after a single step of paint correction and polish. So now I'm going to wash the whole vehicle. I look forward to showing you a final video. It's honestly really weird to be recording vertically, but that's how the hood looks best. So again, this is your before. Is swirl marks. Some hard water. There we go. There's a decent shot of the swirl marks. Hard water is kind of hiding some of it. And then you come over here, single step of compound plus a polish. You just have a whole different finish. So even if your vehicle's a couple years old, we have no problems with an install of a ceramic coating for you. The only caveat or kind of warning that I give is expect to pay for paint correction. That's not included in our base package. We focus mainly on new vehicles. I'm not going to bill 98% of our clients for paint correction when they don't need it, just to cover the 2% like this that do. So expect an extra $400, $500, $600 depending on vehicle size. But you can have excellent results, from A to B here. So send me a text for a quote, 920-659-0023. My name is George. You can also visit the website, coatingsbythebay.com. All of our prices are transparently posted there. Again, that's coatingsbythebay.com. I'm not afraid to talk about prices. I'm not one of those guys that hides behind get a quote forms. A vehicle this size with a polish included, so not the paint correction, would be $875. This is going to be $1275 with the step of correction added because it's a second vehicle, so there is a bit of a discount on the paint correction. And the finish is going to be 80 to 90% better. It is a standard that's done, so 4 crosshatch patches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4 with a compound and then a polish. The results vary, but this is 90, 95% better. If I look hard enough, there definitely is still deeper scratching somewhere in here, I'm sure. So yeah, a little bit deeper here, which I can probably touch up and get out when I do the whole hood again. But you can expect really, really great results from just a single step of correction. I'm not one of those guys that pitches these 19-step correction packages. Like, this has a couple rock chips. It's going to benefit a lot just from a step of compound. He's going to be super happy going to car shows next spring and summer. So this is a big win on both sides. He didn't get oversold, and he's going to have a beautiful vehicle when he's done. So again, 920-659-0023. My name is George. You can text me anytime for a quote. We do not do detailing, radios, tint, anything like that. Exclusively installing and maintaining ceramic coatings. And obviously, we will do the paint correction required to install a coating. Never forced, just suggested if there will be an additional benefit. Have a good one.